This is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the nut that goes on the bolt that holds on your motor mount, and in fact, the motor. So new part, and then you want to do a 2D sketch. Choose a work plane. You're going to use this polygon tool. You may have used rectangle last, so it may look like a rectangle, but you want to use the polygon. It's six-sided, which is the default on here. Pick a point, left click, and take it out. It doesn't actually matter the orientation here at all. Hit done. Then what you want to do is dimension from here to here across. And that is 0.35. Now, another thing you want to put in here is a hole going down through the center of it. Let's see if we can do this all at one time. 0.15. Extrude, and make sure, a lot of you guys, you're like, oh, it won't extrude. You have to tell it what shape, because there's multiple shapes there. So you have to click on the shape that you want to extrude. 0.1. And then make sure you do a save. You save it on H drive under your Solar Car project folder, and you always put your team number and call this nut. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.